Hey there guys, this is Brett with Internetwork Consulting. In today's video, we'll discuss the different parts of a hard drive as we take one apart. Taking a look on the back, you'll see the green circuit board and a connector strip, which is the way that messages are transmitted from the drive to the computer. On the front side, you'll see a few different connectors. The first one is a power connector, which gives power to the drive. The second you'll see is a data connector. This one specifically is a SATA drive. Using a T8 Torx head screwdriver, we can begin to take apart the drive. Please do not continue unless you are prepared to void your drive's warranty, as removing this sill will do so. Inside the drive, there are three main parts. First, we have the actuator, which consists of two large magnets that are used to control what is known as the read-write arm. The read-write arm moves back and forth along the magnetic platter and reads the data contained within it. The magnetic platter is the metal circular plate you see that spins to create the readable magnetic bits. Let's take a small look at these parts in action.